before, after.
If you're ever bored in school and you want to draw something and you don't know what to draw, I got you. This one is super fun. Just start out with a random little squiggly shape and then just keep doing the same thing on the inside like this and follow the lines. And basically just keep adding them wherever you want and just keep doing that everywhere and then it'll look like this. Another one is really fun. I call it like little loops, and you just kind of go like this anywhere you want. And you can make them have little dents in it. You can make them start over again over here. And the best part is you don't even have to lift your pencil up if you don't want to. And the more that you do this, it will look like this. Ta-da! So yeah, this is what you can draw if you're ever bored. And I have a bunch of other doodle ideas, so if you guys want some more, I'll show you some more. Okay, bye.
Our tutorials be like
Welcome back to Easy Doodle Ideas for people who think they can't draw, which number one isn't true, but let's go. So basically we're going to draw a bunch of little blobs all over our notebook. You can use one color, you can use two colors. I'm using three colors. It really does not matter. Just make sure the colors look nice together. That's about it. Then you're going to go ahead, grab a black marker, and we're drawing these leaf shapes kind of coming out of the sides of the blobs. Then you're going to add some little sparkles, some dots, and voila, there you go.
Stop the drawing.